Before 1834, keeping food fresh was a constant struggle. People relied on ice, cellars, or salt to preserve meat, dairy, and vegetables. Spoiled food caused illness, hunger, and waste, especially in cities where storage was limited. Then, Jacob Perkins developed the first working mechanical refrigerator. It used controlled cooling to keep food safe for longer periods. Ice was no longer the only way to preserve perishables. With refrigeration, homes, markets, and restaurants transformed. Food could be stored, transported, and sold safely. Diets improved, communities grew healthier, and the foundation for modern kitchens and supermarkets was laid. The refrigerator didn't just cool food, it reshaped daily life and public health forever.